Hello everyone. I'm Swati Gupta and welcome to Wisdom Waves Wednesday. Now, today's special life is on Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is usually about loving someone else. But today, we are talking about something we have been ignoring for the longest time, the relationship with ourselves. Somewhere while growing up, we have been taught something very dangerous. Resting is lazy, taking time for yourself is indulgent, and self care is selfish. But what if the truth is absolutely opposite? Now, self care is actually self respect. Today's episode is not a romantic one, but a Valentine's Day special where we are going to talk about self love, confidence, aging, and guilty women carry when they choose themselves. So joining us today is someone super duper special, super amazing, who has helped about 18,000 women transform their confidence naturally through face yoga and holistic wellness. She leads a global community of 2,000 275,000
Yeah.
K followers, and she's having a community about where she believes beauty doesn't need needles, filters, or pressure, just consistency and self love. So, welcoming
Absolutely.
today is Savitu Singh. Thank you so much, Savitu, for accepting our invite, and we are so happy to have you here.
Thank you so much, Swati, for a lovely introduction. Thank you so much. Seriously.
Wow. Savitu, I have prepared a few set of questions which we would want to know from you because you are a true gem in whatever you're doing in face yoga, in about yourself, about
Okay, you tell me
self-care,
that should I be speaking in Hindi, English mixed, or should I be speaking in English more or Hindi more? What
both
does
in
the
English,
audience prefer? Both.
everything in English,
Okay.
whatever you are comfortable with. We are good with
I'm
everything.
comfortable with speaking entirely Hindi, entirely English, anything that you tell me to.
Let's
So,
keep it in English.
okay, great.
Yeah. All
Yes.
right. So let's start with the biggest myth.
Hmm.
Why do women feel guilty about taking care of themselves?
I think, Swati, the biggest thing is that, while we were growing up, हमें conditioning ऐसे मिली थी that,
Hmm.
everybody else should come first. And everything else is important. People are
Yeah.
important, children are important, mother, father, in-laws, husband, kids, everybody's important. And you come last. Right, so वो एक conditioning ही ऐसी है कि
Yeah.
if you think about yourself, if you think कि मुझे time निकालना है, you think of it as selfish sometimes कि नहीं
Hmm.
यार, I can't be selfish, I have to think about this, that, and the other.
Yeah.
So it's just more of that conditioning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Correct. Correct. You're absolutely right. Where do you think, like, is it, like, where exactly the guilt begins? Is it, like you said, conditioning, but is it family? Is it society? Is it momming? Is it work? What exactly happens?
See, I feel that now, now women are doing a lot. Earlier, क्या
Hmm.
होता था that, the roles were very clear that men used to go for work and women used to look after the house, the kitchen, the kids.
Correct.
अब क्या हो गया? Women are doing a lot of things. They're handling businesses
Hmm.
and they're successful at it. And plus, they have to
Yes.
manage the house, the children, the everything. So now it's become
Yeah.
tougher. So I feel अब stress
Hmm.
levels भी ज़्यादा हो गए हैं. And अब time
Right.
भी कम रह गया है. So I feel अब
Hmm.
time कम है, so we should give quality time to ourselves. Okay, not
Correct.
try and think, we'll need, we should have half an hour, because nobody would ever have that half an hour. Even if you have
Hmm.
seriously, if you have those 10 minutes, I think that's
Correct.
golden, and make the best use
Hmm.
of it. Yeah.
Absolutely. So, what was that moment in your life when you realized that, yeah, self care is not vanity, it is necessity? I would like to know your story.
So, actually, I don't know, like I was, this is a few years back, I was going through a very low phase because I'm
Okay.
actually a jewelry designer. And the
Oh,
jewelry
wow.
that you see, yeah, this is our jewelry. So,
Lovely.
I come from that background. And
Hmm.
suddenly, while designing jewelry one day, I just felt that, this is at the age of 35. I'm 40 now. This is 5 years back. And,
Hmm.
suddenly realized that, I'm aging at 35. And I was not feeling good about myself.
Yeah.
And I
Yeah.
remember कि जब मैं, I used to look at myself in the mirror, मुझे ऐसे लगता था that, there's something wrong with me. मेरा face ऐसा
Hmm.
क्यों है? And, why I can't be like her? Why because you feel like that कि उसका ऐसा है
Absolutely.
मेरा क्यों नहीं
Absolutely.
है, like that.
Non.
So I was I used to feel low about myself. I used to
Hmm.
feel that why I can't get this. And so there was always a feeling of emptiness and
Yeah.
like sadness and all of that.
Correct. Hmm.
So wo thi. And
Hmm.
then I felt that I need to improve myself. First
Correct.
of all, क्या problems है मेरे face में? What are the challenges
Hmm.
I'm facing?
Hmm.
Okay, let me write it down. Let me see whether I can,
Um.
think about doing something about it.
Wow.
So it
Hmm.
started with, seeing myself and being very serious. Yeah, I don't
Wow.
like myself.
Okay. Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm. That's lovely. So, like, how did you manage to choose face yoga, or did you take a proper training? How was that leap?
So actually, it's by luck. I was struggling through low self-esteem, low confidence. Didn't want to show my face to anybody. I
Hmm.
used to feel कि face देखेंगे, they will definitely say something to me. ये ठीक नहीं है, वो ठीक नहीं है. मतलब इतना low
Okay.
confidence हो गया था.
Hmm.
So then I was seriously, I was, you always think, people are thinking about you. People will judge you,
Absolutely, you're
like that.
right.
Yeah, so I've
Huh,
been through
huh,
all of that. I know it's really bad. So then one fine day on
huh, huh.
Instagram, I just saw an ad on face yoga, and it said face yoga
Oh
to glowing
wow. Okay.
skin. And I was like, wow, this looks nice. Let's try it. Bas मैंने try किया,
Okay.
and the teacher was wonderful, and she was very patient, and she taught us a lot. But she told us very clearly that ये कोई magic pill नहीं है. Don't think कि आप
Huh.
महीना करोगे and you will suddenly look I don't know what. It takes
Yeah.
consistency, practice, dedication, and you will see
Hmm.
months. You will have to do it for 2 or 3 months to see good results. And
Wow.
because she was so realistic, we knew कि काम तो करना पड़ेगा. ऐसे नहीं होगा. So
Wow.
yeah, so like that it
That's
started, and
lovely.
then I made so many changes in myself, and my friends were like, what facial have you got done? You're glowing so much. It's not toning ho gaya. I had a big nose, wo tone ho gaya. My lines were disappearing, and
Oh wow.
everybody was like, wow, wow, wow. And I was like, my God, ye mere kya discover kar liya, like that. And I was so excited. And then I told my friends, okay, you try face yoga. And they were like, what is face yoga? Ye kya hota hai? Like people
Hmm.
didn't know
Hmm.
5 years back kya face yoga hota hai.
Absolutely.
So
Correct.
yeah, it was very new then. And then I was like,
Wow.
no, I have to, do certifications. I have to teach people. I have to
Yeah.
transform people because I was going through that myself, and I
Um,
knew that is not a good phase to be in. It's not
right.
good. It is.
Right.
It's not good at all. Yeah.
Right. So in the age of fillers and putting doing something or the putting needles and all that, face yoga seems like like rejuvenating, I think. Like you
See,
feel this.
face yoga is exercise. Okay,
Okay.
so if somebody is exercising the body,
Hmm.
ideally they should also be exercising the faces, because
Okay.
even your face has muscles. It has facial muscles.
Hmm.
So if you see my skin, और मैं
Hmm.
अपनी skin को हटाऊं, तो मेरी
Hmm.
skin के नीचे there's a network of facial muscles, and 50
Right.
plus facial muscles हैं in the face and neck. So
Hmm.
अगर हम अपनी body के muscles को exercise करते हैं, why? Because we want to make our muscles strengthen and
Hmm.
tight
Hmm.
and toned. Otherwise we would
Correct.
have like abs now होते, we would just have like bellies, flat belly,
Hmm. Absolutely.
like
Hmm.
yeah. So
Hmm.
so we are doing that thing for our
Hmm.
body. So
Hmm.
face ke liye, why not? Why people are so apprehensive? It's an
Yeah.
exercise.
Correct.
So they should
Absolutely.
ideally exercise the face. Yeah.
Yeah. Like
And
you
it's just the
said that.
face. So whatever you will transform, face will
Huh.
transform hoga aapka. So
Hmm.
I feel if you are concerned about your face and if you want your face to look really nice, like right now, I've just done my eyebrows and applied a little bit of mascara and blusher and lipstick, and it took me like 3 or 4 minutes to get ready.
हाँ
And all my clients aspire कि वो ऐसे ही करें. They should have a
हाँ
good skin so
correct
that they don't have to depend on 40 minutes of makeup and
yeah
dolling themselves up like that. Yeah,
correct
natural is
correct
always beautiful. Yeah.
wow that's so inspiring, that's so amazing. So
Yeah.
let's talk about something which is more real. Why
Mm-hmm.
women are scared of aging, like Has the social media made the beauty pressure worse?
Social media, I'll tell you
Or
something. Everybody on social media is setting up such high standards.
hmm,
People will have those sharp jawlines, and they'll have those high cheekbones, and everybody's looking fair, and everybody's looking toned and slim, and इतना pressure है, there's
इतना
so
प्रेशर
much
है.
pressure.
हाँ,
Like
हाँ,
yesterday, I had a personal consult, and this lady came to me, and she was pretty. And she
hmm,
was like that, I have this, I have that, I have this. And I was telling her, but you are beautiful. You are
हाँ,
really nice.
हाँ,
But she's
correct.
telling me, कि नहीं, because, I like her and I want to be like her.
हाँ,
Yeah, but
हाँ,
you have to be the best version of yourself because you are
correct.
beautiful. She was
Hmm,
actually
hmm.
pretty. So I want to tell her time and again that you are pretty, and you are pretty.
हाँ,
Don't compare
correct.
yourself to
हाँ,
somebody else. So I want to
हाँ,
tell everybody कि अपनी जो natural beauty है उसको enhance
हाँ,
करो because आप
हाँ.
beautiful हो.
Right.
So yeah.
Wow, wow,
So
this is so beautiful. This is so amazing because you have to carry your own confidence within you. You have to say to yourself, I'm beautiful, rather than,
exactly, yeah,
uh,
yeah. And Swati, वैसे भी everybody would have big lips and high
hmm,
cheekbones and sharp jawlines
uh,
and very fair and सबका face चमक रहा है.
uh,
Sometimes I see people like that, and trust me, it is unnatural because
uh,
and people tell me कि they send me photos कि मैम ऐसे sharp jawline बनानी है, and I tell them ये natural वाली jawline नहीं है. This
uh,
is treated. This has been
uh,
done by dermat. ये कोई procedure है, ये कोई treatment है. This is
hmm,
not natural. So
hmm,
people have
hmm.
to know the difference कि क्या natural है और क्या it is done through treatments.
Wow, wow.
So
So
yeah.
that comes to my next question. How relevant these treatments are? Is it affecting
Hmm.
yourself badly, or is it okay to be done? Or like,
See, I
what
feel
is the
that
reality? Because people are going in the rat race. I see you doing it, then you see somebody else doing it, and
okay,
crazily
so I'll
people are
tell you a
doing it.
very interesting story. So
Yeah.
I had this personal session client, and she was telling me that ma'am, मेरी ना कुछ सालों पहले मेरी स्किन बहुत अच्छी थी एंड एकदम
Hmm.
से बहुत डाउन चली गई है एंड
Uh-huh.
मैम मुझे ना थोड़ा ऐसे करके ना लिफ्ट करना है मुझे टाइट करना है तो ये पोर्शन मेरा ना आप ऐसे लिफ्ट कर दो तो ये
Uh,
फेस योगा से ऐसे लिफ्ट हो जाएगा तो
uh,
मैंने कहा अच्छा थोड़ा और बताओ अपने बारे में तो शी
uh.
वाज लाइक ओके आई एम डूइंग रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी माइक्रो नीडलिंग वो सब कर रही हूँ बट मुझे ना ऐसे चाहिए ऐसे वाला चाहिए ऊपर वाला
हाँ,
सो आई वाज
हाँ,
टेलिंग हर कि आपने ट्रीटमेंट्स कर रहे हो उससे आपको फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा तो शी इज
हाँ.
लाइक कि नहीं अभी मैंने 50,000 स्पेंड किया है एंड आई कैन सी सम चेंज बट आई
Hmm.
वांट दिस बार बार शी वाज पॉइंटिंग लाइक दैट टू हर फेस I was looking at
Oh
her
my
कि
God.
50,000 spent हो गए अभी भी
हाँ,
she's cribbing she's not happy पता नहीं कितने पैसे she's going to spend on herself
हाँ,
and I was like listen you better do face yoga
हाँ.
and उसमें क्या होगा overall face आपका transform होगा
Right,
there will be lifting because a lot of lifting techniques because face yoga is a natural botox
right, right.
but obviously face yoga में मेहनत है you have to do it it's
Do
an
it daily.
exercise you can't just lie down and feel कि अच्छा कोई मेरा कर दे like
Yeah, yeah.
that
Similar to
but
exercising, no? Body exercising, you can't
yeah.
expect that you will be having tone and you will be absolutely muscular without moving your butts. You
But
will have to do something.
exactly, yeah. But Swati, you also know people who have there's this thing called Ozempic. People are having that medicine. If if
Ah,
I'm
I've heard
pronouncing
about
it right,
that. My
yeah.
goodness.
So आप मुझे बताओ that is what you're injecting yourself.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
You're injecting. एक तरफ, like people like you and me are, you like, I have joined a Pilates class. I'm doing
Hmm.
exercise. Now I
Hmm.
compare myself कि अच्छा मुझे तो यार inject करा लेती हूँ मैं पतली हो जाऊंगी.
पतली हो जाऊंगी,
Okay.
हाँ,
But on
हाँ,
the other side, I'm doing healthy exercise.
हाँ.
Now everybody knows what is healthy, what is unhealthy. तो फेस के
Absolutely.
साथ भी ये है हेल्दी
Mm-hmm.
एक्सरसाइज है और आप बोटॉक्स और नीडल्स करा रहे हो अब आपको
Correct.
पता है कि हेल्दी क्या है अनहेल्दी क्या है बट स्टिल
Right,
यू आर गोइंग टू द अनहेल्दी रूट
right,
सो
right,
दैट्स अ
right.
चॉइस दैट यू आर मेकिंग
Absolutely, absolutely. For me, going to I choose tennis. So going to tennis is a task because 1 hour if I'm playing after coming back, I'm like done for the day. But then I choose it because I know I'm not a kind of person who can just sit and do nothing. I have to
या
do something for myself so that I feel more fresher. I feel my dopamine release. I feel more
yeah you
fitter.
feel good about yourself
Yeah, yeah,
whenever
absolutely,
I'm done with my pilates class I feel I've achieved something I feel
absolutely.
so good the face looks so
Hmm.
good the body looks so good you release happy hormones
Correct,
and
correct.
yeah
Wow, wow. So, since it is about Valentine's Day and it is Valentine's Day special, so how does relationship,
Hmm.
whatever like the relationship we have with ourselves, affect
Right.
our romantic relationships?
Okay, so I'll start with singles first. Okay,
Hmm,
so if I ask my cousins who are younger and who are unmarried, and they'll always say, "Yeah, that girl is very attractive, and she's very
hmm, hmm.
beautiful, and all of that."
Yeah.
So all said and done, looks are important
Hmm.
because even me, if I'm in a room and some attractive stunning lady comes in, I will look at her and I will say, "Oh
Look at
wow,
her, huh?
she's pretty,
Hmm.
she's attractive,"
Hmm.
like that.
Correct.
So we always appreciate beauty.
Yeah.
ठीक है, तो ब्यूटी को अप्रिशिएट सारे करते हैं. ठीक
Hmm.
है,
Correct.
तो
Huh.
थोड़ा बहुत we have to realize that we have to maintain ourselves, we have to look.
Hmm.
I'm not saying like too much, don't go over the top, but again make yourself the best and make yourself presentable and make yourself good, so that
Hmm.
you give a nice vibe and people say that, "Oh wow, you look good,"
Yeah.
that way.
Correct.
So I feel everybody should focus on, like their how they look, because at
Correct.
the end of the day later you feel bad. Like the lot of conversations when I go for coffee sometimes with my friends, and they'll
Hmm.
be like, sometimes कोई face की conversation होएगी, so they'll be cribbing कि यार पहले pigmentation
Hmm.
नहीं थी, अब aging के साथ pigmentation हो गई है. Somebody will say कि यार मेरी under eye की skin loose हो
Hmm.
गई है.
Hmm.
So there is a lot of, and you don't feel good about it.
Hmm.
So yeah, so instead
Yeah.
of talking, थोड़ा काम कर लो, थोड़ा just work at it.
Correct. Correct.
See,
Absolutely.
अब
So,
मेहनत
can
करनी
you
पड़ेगी, या
get?
मेहनत करो. Yeah,
हाँ, वो तो है. मेहनत करे बिना तो नहीं होता. And actually,
right.
you're right. मतलब, my husband will look at me twice if I'm dressed up. Like, I'll just share a simple example. I bought a dress for myself, just normally. I mean, went with friends, got a dress and all that. We were going for a hospital visit. Can you beat that? So day before yesterday, we went for a hospital visit. I was like, I was feeling very high, happy high. Sometimes you feel happy high. So I was like, let
Yeah,
me wear that new dress and I'll just do some makeup and all that. I came out of the room and my husband was super shocked. He was like, "Oh my God, we are going to the hospital, right?" I said, "Yeah, but I wanted to. I mean, after that, maybe we can
yeah.
have a
Because
cup of
why?
coffee or
Because you want to
something."
feel good. You want to feel
Huh.
good about yourself.
Correct, correct. And then my husband immediately went, he changed, and he wore something which was, better than what we was wearing.
This
And we both
happens a lot
laughed
of
it
times.
loud.
Yeah. When they feel
So
that, no, you're looking much better than me, I also have to dress up now.
correct, correct. So that's how your romantic relationship will also enhance when you dress up, when you take care of yourself. So that's what made me realize that because I dressed up, he also felt that oh, he has to. And actually, we had such a beautiful
Absolutely, I
time.
totally agree, Swati. Now, for
Huh.
example, there's a husband and wife. Maybe if the wife is not fond of dressing up, and she goes like this, just anywhere, the
Hmm.
husband is going to like always feel कि चलो ठीक है, this she's like
Huh.
that. But sometimes when she surprises him with
Correct.
putting that effort and doing
Huh.
her hair and looking nice, of
Right.
course he's going to look at her very differently. That, oh my God,
Absolutely.
you look
Yeah.
really nice today.
Correct.
Yeah.
So I think all of you watching here, you must realize that even if Valentine's Day, if you want to make your better half feel more special, you need to feel special first. So go dress up because I think Savitu is absolutely right. Because when we take care of ourselves and when we look beautiful, we feel that, I mean, the partner also wants to match up with
Yeah.
us.
Yeah, absolutely. And seriously, वो confidence ही अलग होता है when you look really nice yourself.
Right, right, absolutely. So, Savitu, now it's something very interesting. We all want to know. Can you teach us like simple face yoga exercise, which we can start today? I mean, starting today itself. And when is the best time to do it? Is it mornings? Is it before eating? Is it after eating? So now it's your chapter. Please, all yours.
Right. So I would tell everybody to do face yoga. The best time to do it would be in the morning.
Okay.
And because क्या होता है कि morning में जब आप करते हो, you activate your facial muscles
Hmm.
and you activate your lymphatic system, which is आपके face का toxin removal system. So you remove
Okay.
the toxins from the face, and you are reducing the puffiness, and basically you are giving life to your face. You are
Got
getting
it.
a lot of blood circulation, and
Hmm.
with that face, if you start your day, you
Hmm.
will start your day very happy. You will
Wow.
feel very good. So morning
Wow.
kar lo, and if you have the time, do it at night, because it'll just make you very relaxed, and you will sleep
Hmm.
better, and you will
Hmm.
get up with a glow. So
Yeah.
yeah, so that way
Wow.
you could do it. For the beginners, I would say first of all get the right oil, because
Hmm.
I see a lot of Instagram videos jahan pe people are, and I have to make a reel on this, because recently I saw Instagram pe Rani Mukherjee talking about how she loves coconut oil,
हाँ.
and she was like that she loves it and it's really
हाँ.
nice and it's one of the best oils. मैं वही
Hmm.
सोच रही थी कि यार ये वीडियो कितने लोग देखेंगे, and they are
हाँ.
going to feel कि coconut oil is very
Oil
good,
is good.
but I know
Hmm.
as an expert coconut oil is very heavy.
Very
So
harmful. मतलब
आप
very
मसाज,
hardly people can tolerate
yeah,
coconut
it's
oil.
very heavy. It sits on the
Very
skin. It
heavy.
doesn't go inside. It's so heavy.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So अगर आप मसाज करो, you're feeling very good कि अच्छा मैं मसाज कर रही हूँ, it's really
Hmm.
nice and all.
Hmm.
But उसका जो commodinic index है, okay, which is
Hmm.
very high. So which
Hmm.
means it's not going to go inside. जब अंदर ही नहीं जाएगा, आपकी skin को nourish नहीं करेगा. You have
हाँ.
different layers of the skin, 7 layers of the
Yeah.
skin. So if it doesn't nourish her, what's the whole point of just doing it?
Correct. Correct.
So you should not use castor oil, no olive oil, no coconut oil, and yeah, all of these oils are bad for the skin. Bad
So
as
what
in
is
that.
good?
What is good? So you can, again, I've done reels. I've told people that choose oils according to skin type. So first
Okay.
of all, आप देखो आपकी क्या skin type है, and it
Hmm.
changes according to weather.
Okay.
So obviously winters में it gets more dry, summers
Hmm.
में oily हो जाती है, or it gets
Hmm.
combination. So
Yes.
time and again try and test your skin कि skin type क्या है. Once you know
Correct.
कि अच्छा इस time पे मेरी ये skin type है, like I have a
Hmm.
normal to dry skin.
Okay.
Winters में it gets very dry. मतलब मेरी
Hmm.
skin तो इतनी dry हो जाती है that I have these, like my skin starts
Ah.
flaking. बहुत
Right.
dry हो जाती है मेरी skin, like that.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
understand the skin type, and according to that, on my page, I made a reel that dry skin है ये oil है, oily skin ये है. So dry
Hmm.
skin almond oil is very good, very
Okay.
nourishing, very hydrating, and rosehip oil, almond oil. If you have oily skin, jojoba oil, squalene oil are very good. So like
Wow.
that, choose according to skin type.
Perfect.
ठीक
Perfect.
है? And
Wow.
then you start your face yoga.
Hmm.
So face yoga, I would say that first of all, I think begin with basics.
Hmm.
So basic would be that start with facial tapping, and
Okay.
that is something कि आप you're filling your mouth with air, and
Hmm.
you're creating a lot of oxygen in your face. So it's
Okay.
something like you're holding the air in your mouth, but you are जो आपकी air है, you are keeping it towards the upper part of the cheeks. Okay, like थोड़ा सा ऊपर,
Hmm.
like that. And then you're taking your hands, and then you're not lightly tapping it. For beginners, I would say that you slap your face. Don't
Oh
do
wow.
light tapping. So you
Okay.
take your hands, and like that, you actually start slapping your face.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay, because there is also something like the light tapping, which I would not
Hmm.
suggest, because for beginners को लगेगा कि results नहीं आ रहे. So just slap it,
Okay.
fill your mouth and start slapping it, and do it for about good 30 times,
Oh
25,
wow.
30, 40 times. Yeah. So put the oil, put the moisturizer, do this. This will really wake up your face. So
Okay.
you start with that. Then
Hmm.
second, I would say that maybe, start targeting your issues. Maybe if you have forehead lines, then,
Hmm.
I would say target a technique for forehead lines. If you have a dark circle, target for that. If you have cheeks, तो आप थोड़ा सा target areas पे focus कर लो.
Hmm.
Like
Hmm.
that.
Hmm.
Then third, I would say do like, something for glow, overall glow of the face. Do one technique for skin tightening and lifting. So ऐसे
Okay.
ऐसे करके, you can just make a combination of techniques,
Hmm. Hmm.
so that you're doing everything, little bit of everything.
Got it.
Yeah.
And how much time should you spend on the face yoga?
A face yoga, I would say that you can start with 5 minutes, 5 or 7 minutes, and then gradually you can increase to 10 or 15 minutes.
And
Uh,
the process is tapping first.
you can start with tapping, or you can also start like somebody who's very stressed. Like if a client comes to me and the client is stressed, so
Hmm.
सबसे पहले मैं उसको breathing कराऊंगी.
Hmm.
So I'll
Hmm.
tell, because I would want the client to calm down,
Calm
to
down.
relax.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So I'll either tell the client, ki, Acha, we'll put on the music and close your eyes, relax, and we
Wow.
will breathe. So we'll do 2 or 3 breathing techniques.
Got it.
And then we'll ideally start with, massages,
Hmm.
and then we'll do a little bit of exercises. And
Hmm.
if you have the facial tools, you can do that also. And then you can finish off with tapping. Otherwise, you can do tapping in the picnic.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
So that's the protocol. You go like
Good.
that.
Huh. Huh.
Yeah.
Got it. Perfect, perfect. So which comes to my next question, that what are the basic tools, or do we need tools? Like, if
Uh,
we're starting, do we really need it? Are there any basic tools, or is it okay to do without tools?
So if you ask me that are tools, a make or break for the face, then I would say absolutely not. If somebody says that I just want to do face yoga, I want to
Mm,
just exercise my face, I don't want to use tools, as absolutely fine. You will still get results. But
mm,
then actually what happens is like, like when I do live classes and I have my classes where people have enrolled for 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. So what
wow.
happens is कि 2-3 महीनों बाद you want something different. You want to add
Mm,
something different, right?
yeah, yeah.
So now you want to add things. Then you can start adding tools. You can
Got it.
start adding skincare. You can start adding, red light therapy. So
Mm,
like that, you can just add so that
mm.
because your skin also gets used to it. कि आप
Correct.
एक ही चीज करी जा रहे हो बार बार. So if you
Mm,
do that, your skin also likes that you're trying different
yeah,
things, and
different things,
yeah,
right?
and I feel you should experiment.
Wow, wow, that's beautiful. All right, so some practical value now. We want to know what is a 5 minute, a quick self care ritual as per you?
Okay, a 5 minute ritual, like I said, always starts with breathing. Okay,
Hmm,
if you're doing it in the bathroom, then ab lock karo bathroom and dim the lights. Ideally, if you can have a candle, very good.
wow.
Because face yoga, if done, alag se, uh,
Hmm,
it just calms you down more. But agar
hmm,
like बच्चों का शोर आ रहा है, टीवी ऑन है, या people are talking, तो आपको ऐसे लगता है कि आप एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हो. वो calming
correct.
experience नहीं होता. You feel that
Calming.
you're forcing yourself to do something. But if
Absolutely.
you really want to get that experience of a spa and मैंने
Hmm,
relax होना है, then it
yeah,
should be quiet. So start with that, create that atmosphere,
got
and
it.
then take the oil according to skin type. And
Hmm,
I would say start with the we start with the forehead.
hmm,
Okay, and I'm going to tell you some techniques for the forehead, eyes, cheeks, everything, and then you can do that all over. So
perfect.
forehead, क्या होता है that generally two main issues are there on the forehead:
Okay.
uneven skin tone and pigmentation. The
Hmm,
second is the forehead lines. Okay,
okay.
that is the most common. So we'll
Okay.
do something for that.
Okay.
Now, when you take the oil, I'm going to take the oil
Hmm,
and I'm going to apply it like this.
wow.
So,
Okay.
सबसे पहले for forehead lines, we have to reduce the tension. Because if, like, for example, if I'm
If you
listening
do
to
like
you,
this,
a lot of times, we listen very carefully, we are doing like
uh,
this,
uh,
or we are really over expressing the forehead. तो
right.
tension create कर रहे हैं हम. तो उसको
Uh,
हमें reduce करना है. So for
okay.
reducing that, you take your hands, make a
Hmm,
nice fist,
hmm,
close it, okay?
okay.
Keep it on the forehead like this in the center, where
Hmm,
the third eye point is.
yeah.
And from the third eye point, you take your fist
Hmm.
and you smooth out.
Oh, wow.
You're literally smoothing out and ironing out your wrinkles. And
Hmm,
how is it working for pigmentation? Because you're getting fresh blood to that area. So अगर
hmm.
आपकी darkness है धीरे धीरे it will turn red and धीरे धीरे it will disappear.
Oh,
So that
wow.
is what we are doing with this. So you keep your hand in the center,
Hmm.
and from here, now when you go out, you don't have to go down. Okay, you
Oh,
have to
okay.
go up because face yoga is all about lifting. So when
Hmm.
we take our hands from the center, we go here. When we reach the temples, that's the time we have to take it up.
Oh, wow. Oh, that was
Yeah.
smart. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll take it up. And if you can breathe, even better. So like you can keep it like this and do breathing. So if you do that like 10, 15, 20 times, you feel
Hmm.
very relaxed.
Hmm.
And you feel relaxed, your forehead feels relaxed. I
Right.
wish the muscles could talk and say that, oh my God, I feel relaxed. Yeah.
True.
So
Very
they'll feel
true.
relaxed. Yeah.
Wow.
So you do that for the forehead.
Got
Okay.
it.
Now for the 11 lines, what we are going to do is we are going to make a hook like this,
Okay.
and we are going to place it on the 11 line area. So for 11 lines, also things like, reflexology helps a lot. Like, I had a class last week where we had the entire session on forehead wrinkles,
Okay.
and we use reflexology for the wrinkles. So suppose if you have a tool, you can buy a reflexology tool from Amazon, from anywhere, and you'll have a pointed tip. Okay.
Got it.
And suppose we're trying to work on the 11s. So you will take it here and we will start, either like going
Oh,
left to right.
okay.
Or the easiest would be take the tool and just go round and round on
Circling.
that. Yeah, circling it on the 11 lines. And you
Hmm.
keep doing it here in the center. And then
Right.
you could also do it, release the tension from here under the eyebrows,
Wow.
and then
Okay.
go above the eyebrow. So basically, what you're doing is you are targeting, like, if I do an exercise, so we are targeting this area,
Oh, this area.
this,
Yeah.
this area. So
Hmm.
we are trying to reduce the tension from here. So
Wow.
this really works. And if you want
Hmm.
to do it with the hand, then you make it like this, make a hook, and start relaxing the area.
Got it.
So forehead and 11 lines, I will tell you to always relax.
Okay.
Okay,
Got it.
yeah, you can just breathe like that and just
Oh,
relax
I
it.
can feel a little head pain. That's what I've
Yeah,
realized.
it'll help you sleep better also.
I'm sure. I'm sure.
Then
Wow.
we'll come down to the eye area. Okay, now
Hmm.
eye, mostly everybody has kya problems hai? Puffiness hai. Then you'll have dark circle, you'll have
Hmm.
lines, you'll
Hmm.
have loose skin under the eye. So let's
Yeah.
do one technique for the eye. So what you can do, again, take the oil. Now the
Hmm.
under eye skin बहुत पतली है.
Hmm.
It's very, very thin. And aging ke saath, the skin also becomes very loose.
Okay.
So, if the skin is very delicate, you are going to take your thumb, keep it here, okay, and apply the oil under the eye, and then
Hmm.
take your hands, fingers, and then go directly under the eye and lift it up.
Oh,
Yeah,
the
and
lifting
very
bit.
light.
Okay. Got
Yeah,
it.
lifting. So it's lifting also, and it's massaging the under eye.
Hmm.
It's getting fresh
Wow.
blood to that area, and you do it with light hands. That's the tip I would like to give. Very
Hmm.
light hands, and try and do the lifting of the eye. So when you
Got it.
do that, you are
Hmm.
lifting your eye area.
Got it. Perfect.
So for,
Wow.
for the eye, you can do that. Then we'll
Yeah.
come to the cheeks. Now for the cheeks, obviously sagging hoti hai, loose
Hmm.
skin hoti hai, all of that. So let's do a technique for cheeks and smile lines together.
Okay.
So for that, you take your hands, keep it here, okay? And the other hand, you can keep it on the smile lines. Hmm? Hmm. Now take this hand and just stretch it up like this. And I have the oil, which is why I'm stretching.
Yeah.
So take it from the smile lines because you're also smoothing the smile lines
Hmm.
and because you're also lifting. Okay,
Oh,
at the
wow.
same time, if you have any pigmentation, you're taking care of that. So keeping all your
Hmm.
hands, or your face starts getting very red. It
Hmm.
starts getting a lot of fresh blood. So do that
Yeah.
lifting from the cheek. And
Wow.
the other side also, do that smile line lifting, like
Hmm.
that.
Hmm.
After that, we'll move on to, the maybe because a lot of times people have droopy corners.
Yeah.
So we
Yeah.
could do something for that. So for
Hmm.
droopy corners, you could take your hands, keep it here like this under the lips.
Okay.
And now we are going to lift the droopy corners and lift the cheeks,
Okay.
both.
Okay.
So keeping it here, we will lift the droopy corners. Hmm. Okay, keeping it just at the corners of the lips.
Oh, okay.
Hmm. And then lifting the cheeks.
Acha, your
Yeah.
hand went up. Okay. Wow.
Actually, आपका भी oil नहीं है ना, so it's not
Ah,
gliding well.
my face does
So
not have.
yeah, it'll glide very well if you have some lubricant. And
Wow.
then so basically आप corners को lift कर रहे हो
Hmm.
and cheeks
Oh,
को. So imagine
nice.
you are lifting the
Ah.
cheeks,
So you can
10 times.
see this
Yeah, so
puffiness
it'll
here.
it'll
Yeah.
go up. The cheeks are
Wow.
going to go up.
Oh,
Yeah.
lovely.
So this is an exercise for the cheeks.
Got
And for
it.
the neck, I would say that apply the oil at the neck, and you
Hmm.
could do like a simple massage for the neck. You could do this massage for the
Hmm.
neck. Yeah, like that. Just massage your neck like this, starting
Hmm.
from here, from the double chin, go down, double chin, go down. If there's
Hmm.
any puffiness, you are draining it down.
Yeah.
Okay, like that. So you could do things like that and just start
Wow.
with basics. It'll
Hmm.
take 5 minutes, but
I'm
start
sure.
with
Hmm.
this.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. This is such an amazing one. I am feeling relaxed, although I'm not done the way you've told. I have been a bad student in this
No, no,
one.
but you were doing
I do not have
it.
oil, so yeah, yeah. But I can feel like I can feel nice about my face. As
Yeah,
soon as you do
absolutely.
something, you feel like
You
here
feel
I'm feeling
nice.
nice, here I'm feeling nice, here I'm feeling
Yeah,
nice.
because you're releasing tension now when you're doing
Ah,
this. Because when we are talking or when we are eating food, there's a lot of
yeah,
jaw tension here, and that's
correct.
also muscle, the masseter muscle. So when you
Hmm.
massage, you're releasing the stress from there.
Wow, that's amazing, amazing. So, one mindset shift which you feel women need.
I feel first of all, women should stop cribbing,
Okay.
and I feel every problem has a solution.
Okay.
If you're willing to focus on the solution, the
Hmm.
problem disappears. But if
Yeah.
you focus on the problem
Yeah.
and you are just complaining and complaining and complaining, वो
Hmm.
problem तो रहेगी रहेगी.
Hmm. Hmm.
तो आप solution पे focus करो, problem पे focus मत करो. That is one thing I would want to tell every woman.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah,
That is so true because
yeah.
our major problem is we are so much focused on the problems that we are so busy in pointing others' mistake that we don't realize that we are actually spoiling our life also. It is not
Hmm.
about pointing others' mistake because we are not realizing what we should be grateful for.
And you
What
know,
should we
also
be
it's
happy
about
for?
yeah, and Swati is also about what you say to yourself. If I tell myself every day that oh my forehead, I have so many lines, my forehead
हाँ
doesn't look good, मतलब बार-बार मैं अपने आप को बता
बार
रही
बार मैं
हूँ
सेम
कि
चीज बोल रही हूँ हाँ करेक्ट
yeah. So you have to tell good things now. Like for
करेक्ट
example, if you know Swati is there, I'm going to talk nicely to Swati. Okay, I'm not going to say
हाँ
कि ये ठीक नहीं है, वो ठीक नहीं है. So be nice to yourself. The only way
करेक्ट
you can be nice is that work on yourself, ना. जब आप work
हाँ
करोगे तो चीजें improve होंगी, then you'll be sweeter to yourself. So be
करेक्ट
kind.
करेक्ट
Yeah.
absolutely absolutely wow this is so amazing we so loved it now I have something very interesting I want to ask you a small rapid fire where we want to know a little quicker kind of a thing about what you
Okay.
do about how things
Right.
are very quick
Right.
ones so something which
Okay.
is very close to your heart you just have to be I know you're going to be honest so that I don't have to say I already know
Wow, that's such a lovely compliment.
sorry
Because that's such a lovely compliment.
obviously after talking you exactly know how the person is
Oh, how sweet.
so self-care in one
Same
word
goes for you. Same. That's why we are doing the life together because somewhere our vibes match.
absolutely and that's why I mean I don't remember messaging you twice in the first message you said yes let's do it I mean that was so sweet of you
Yeah.
that's so
Why not?
amazing
Self love should always be ruling.
huh.
Yeah.
But Valentine's Day idea was yours certainly you were like
Yeah.
let's do it on Valentine's Day people don't talk
Yeah,
about
because
themselves
I feel that at least Valentine's so people understand कि it's love,
huh.
so they
हाँ,
should at least अब एक goal बना ले छोटा सा goal
हाँ,
small goals that 5 minutes ये करना है and they will see a
हाँ.
huge change.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. So before we start the rapid fire, if you have any questions, guys, please put it across. We will take 5 minutes kind of a question also in case you guys have. So please put your questions because I can see about 4 to 5 questions. But if you are others also, if you have questions, please feel free. We would love to take your questions because Avitu was very sweet. She said we will certainly take everybody's questions. So so yeah. So quickly rapid fire. So self care in one word.
You're asking me, right?
Yes.
Okay. Self care in one word it would be just feeling good.
Okay. The biggest
Yeah.
self care myth.
It takes a lot of time.
Okay. Aging gracefully means.
It means feeling confident in your skin at any age.
Oh, that's nice. I love
Yeah.
it. Botox or face yoga?
Personal choice, I would say for me, face yoga. I've
Oh.
always been more towards natural things.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Absolutely. I agree with that. One skincare mistake most women make.
They don't use a sunscreen. A lot of people don't use sunscreen. A lot of
That
people
I've
tell me,
heard.
कि, "Ma'am, हम तो घर
Hmm.
पे हैं." So sunscreen is every day. Every
Oh,
day.
wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Hmm. Right. Okay. You're a morning ritual person or a night ritual?
So I have my morning classes and my night classes, so वो automatically ritual हो जाता है.
Okay.
Otherwise, if you ask me, I'm not a morning person. I would ideally get up at 11:30, 12. But because I
Wow.
have to get up for my 8 a.m. class, so I have to
Wow.
be up.
That's
Yeah.
lovely. One thing women should stop doing to their skin.
uh, Women should stop putting too many chemicals in their skin
Hmm.
because, a lot of it, around 70%, 65, 70% is absorbed by the bloodstream. and you
Hmm.
don't realize sooner or later it's going to harm you. So try
Hmm.
and stay away from chemicals as much as possible. Try and be natural as much as possible.
Lovely. One food which you recommend for glowing skin.
One food. It's very tough to pinpoint one food, but I would say water.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
water is most underrated. But if you like
Hmm.
right now, also, I have a bottle of water. So I have the bottle of water. And literally, what I do is I have the bottle of water and I have the glass. Because
Huh.
sometimes otherwise what happens is आप ऐसे करते हो and you just take two sips and then you're done.
Glass.
So whenever I drink, I take the glass, I put it in the glass, then I know exactly अच्छा एक
Correct.
glass पूरा पिया है. So water is the
Ah,
best thing for your skin.
absolutely. I agree. I agree. All right. You are coffee person, chai person.
Coffee person.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is your beautiful wind down routine?
My beautiful wind down routine would be that, spend 10 minutes doing self care, serums and moisturizers and all of that, then
Oh,
doing,
that's lovely.
some face yoga ritual, and then just sitting, reading a nice book and with dim lights and just, yeah, enjoying the reading bit and learning. I love learning different things.
All
So,
right, lovely, lovely. If not a face yoga coach, and now I know if you're not a jewelry designer, what would you be?
I don't know. Maybe I would still be the jewelry designer.
Okay,
If
you would
I
still
wouldn't
be.
have these problems, I would still be there.
Wow, wow. So that finishes our self care questions. That finishes our rapid fire. That you
Thank
were
you so
amazing
much.
as
It was so
usual.
lovely. And the questions, I was very scared, but then what questions you'll ask me. Very easy. Pretty easy.
Huh,
Yeah.
easy, yeah. So you are already confident in your subject, so everything will be easy for you.
How?
You're
But
scared
sometimes,
when you're not sure on what you're doing, but you're
no,
already
but
sure
actually,
you're
rapid
doing
fire,
it.
Swati, what happens is that, you have to answer in one word. And sometimes
Huh.
it's very tough because you have so much to say. And
So
I'm a
much, huh.
person who struggles with minimal words.
Right,
So
right.
when I speak, then I speak.
Given we are women, so that is again secondary thing.
Yeah, so that's my
Yeah.
problem. Even
Yeah.
whenever I shoot my reels, my team always tells me कि मैम आपने इतना लंबा बोला है आप short बोलो कम बोलो.
हाँ,
They always give me pointers. I'll say अच्छा I'll always remind myself कम बोलना है
कब
points
बोलना है.
पे बोलना है because otherwise I would go on and on and on.
Absolutely, absolutely. That is so true. So before we close, one final message for every woman watching this Valentine's Day special.
Okay, so one message would be that you are beautiful and every person is unique and we are made unique by God Himself.
Hmm.
So just accept that uniqueness and work on yourself as an individual and don't copy anyone. You don't know if they're looking a certain way, why they're looking, what all they have done, you don't know the behind
Yeah.
story. So I would just say focus on yourself and be the best version of yourself because you have to be better than what you were yesterday or
Yes.
what you were like, a few
Hmm.
months back. So keep
Correct.
going ahead. Yeah.
Wow. Wow. So awesome. Now we have about 4, 5 questions. If you don't mind, can I quickly take it?
Yeah, yeah, of course.
Yeah. So, Savitu, what is your age? uh, are you past 40? Don't mind. I am 46, and the only issue I'm facing is lose of collagen around jaw. Can you
Hmm.
please help me how to what do I do in this case?
Hmm. Okay, so I'm 40. Okay, and yeah, so that's my age. And you said you have lost
She's
collagen
facing loss
around
of
the
collagen
jaw.
around jaw. Yeah.
Around the jaw. Okay. So I would say that face yoga helps to build natural collagen in the skin. Okay.
Okay.
So अगर aging के साथ आपका collagen और elastin loss हुआ है, then you exercise to rebuild the collagen and
Hmm.
collagen you can rebuild with
Hmm.
face yoga. First thing, you can build with good skincare, like
Hmm.
take things like antioxidants like vitamin C that helps
Yeah.
to rebuild collagen. Use your retinols at night like that.
Wow. Hmm.
Third, have a good collagen-rich diet. So,
Hmm.
because she spoke
Yeah,
about collagen,
absolutely.
and yeah,
Hmm.
so collagen-rich diet would be things like bhindi,
Hmm.
your rajma, chickpeas. If you're a non-vegetarian, then maybe have a chicken soup Okay, so like that. So diet, skincare, face yoga, and yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Lovely,
So
lovely, lovely. Amrendra is saying, "Hi, ma'am. Thank you for the lovely session. Loved every bit of it. Uh, I have normal skin. Can you help me with the skincare routine? Which product? I'm very confused. Lot of brands, but no clarity on the products to usage."
okay, so anybody who has a normal to dry skin, I
Hmm.
would say that products like I have a normal to dry skin, so मुझे mostly सारे products suit करते हैं.
Okay.
So and but I like I said I'm more towards natural things. So job if I use something which is too chemical based, my skin
Hmm.
reacts. So I
Okay.
would tell the person कि try and understand कि आपकी skin क्या tolerate करती है because every skin is different. So
Hmm.
first understand
Yeah.
that. Then second thing is that try. So every brand has like a category. Like they would say that suits all skin types or
Hmm.
suits
Hmm.
acne prone skin. So try and see
Yeah.
that whenever you buy a product, see that. The
Hmm.
basic, I would say that start for an anti-aging routine, you should start with a good face wash. By good I mean that doesn't dry your skin. ठीक है
Hmm.
बिकॉज बहुत
Hmm.
फेस वॉश जब आप यूज करते हो आपको ऐसा लगता है कि स्किन खिंची हुई है. सो
Hmm.
यूज अ जेंटल लाइक आई यूज अ सीटाफिल gentle
Hmm.
cleanser.
I always
So use
see.
that, not a
Like,
gentle one for the skin because the
hmm.
skin is very delicate.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
use like a nice cleanser. Then I don't know, a lot of dermats say toner nahi use karna, but I always tell everybody to use a toner
Hmm.
because we want to add some water to the skin, some
Hmm.
hydration to the skin. So
Hmm.
just take a mist and just add some nice do
Hmm.
tin pumps add karo toner ke, to refresh. And then if you have a problem, like somebody has pigmentation, they can use vitamin C. So take a serum based on a problem, whatever
Okay.
problem you have. Or
Hmm.
if you don't understand your problem, then you can just take anything. Take a hyaluronic acid, works for
Hmm.
everybody. Take a
Hmm.
niacinamide, works for everybody. तो आप कुछ
Hmm.
common वाला ले लो. ठीक
Hmm.
है? Then
Hmm.
apply a
Got it.
moisturizer, then a sunscreen, and do face yoga for that lift and for the tightening and for that glow. So yeah, just do that.
Lovely, lovely. All right. So next is Pratima. She's asking, "Hi, ma'am. Thank you for the session. Again, congratulating
Most
you for the
welcome.
lovely session. Ma'am, I have a teenage daughter. She's 14. She has an acne-prone skin, and although I don't allow her for any oil or any soap, she's not applied anything, but still she has lot of acne. She's telling me to show to a dermat, but I'm scared."
No, so don't be scared. If she wants to see a dermat, I think that's a good idea. You should show her to a skin doctor, and she should get, a face wash for acne, because she has acne. So maybe a face wash has salicylic acid or something like that. She should
Okay.
use that, like maybe a treatment face wash once
Hmm.
and a gentle one. Or the doctor says use that both than that. And because generally क्या होता है कि they also give you those ointments for the pimples or acne.
Pimples,
So you
yeah.
can use that. And yeah, then just, see for teenagers, I would say that like my daughter is 12 years. And she also is going through this, hormonal changes. She also has
Hmm.
acne on the
Hmm.
forehead. So
Yeah,
for
yeah.
her, I'll always stay, I'm sticking with her for three things. एक अच्छा
Hmm.
फेस वॉश, एक
Yeah.
अच्छा मॉइस्चराइजर और एक अच्छा सनस्क्रीन. उसको
Got it.
कोई टोनर नहीं चाहिए, उसको कोई सीरम नहीं चाहिए, उसको बस तीन चीजें चाहिए. और
Hmm.
अगर वो
Hmm.
ये लगा लेगी द राइट थिंग्स, तो उसकी स्किन अच्छी होगी. So
Yeah.
just tell her to see a doctor and get her acne cleared.
So what is a acha face wash? Like what is
For
acha
acne, if you
for
have
for
an acne.
kids? For kids.
For kids, go for brands like Cetaphil, Sebamed,
Hmm.
and yeah, those are good brands. Even Plum is good for kids.
Yeah.
Plum is an Indian brand, very good brand,
Hmm.
and yeah, all of these brands are nice for kids.
Wow, wow, wow. Now, so a lot of congratulations and thank yous we are receiving. So thank you so much, Savitu. I'm not naming all of them, but thank you guys. Thank you so much. So Kirti is asking, so we'll take this as a last question. So Kirti
Right.
is asking, hi Savitu ma'am, lovely having
Hi.
you in the session today. Today I learned a lot and thank you. Wishing you a happy Valentine's Day. Apna wala
Thank you to you
Valentine.
as well.
So it's a long note, literally. So, Apna Wala Valentine. I love the self care Valentine, which makes me feel that I should take care of myself. Um,
So
मुझे
the reason you're not wearing a pink is because my background is red.
हाँ
Yeah. Valentine ho gaya because it's red at the back and pink in front. I don't know, otherwise I would look too red. Everything is
हाँ
red.
हाँ
So I
हाँ
wore a
हाँ
pink instead.
I
Yeah.
was wearing a red coat. Then I realized ज़्यादा red हो जाएगा. I was like, no,
Yeah,
no, no.
because in a stage where you feel suddenly, because like I love red and I get a lot of compliments for
हाँ
wearing red. Red is my
हाँ
color. Like even if
yeah
my room has lots of red in it, red
Mhm.
sofas, red cushions like that.
yeah
But
yeah.
I was like, nahi, bahut red ho jayega then. So
So आज मुझे आपको आई शीज राइटिंग हिंदी इंग्लिश आई एम सॉरी डार्लिंग बहुत हिंदी इंग्लिश समझ में नहीं आती आज मुझे आपको आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट आई हैव I'm pregnant. Oh, okay. So she's pregnant and she wants to know what should be the perfect uh, skincare routine and is it okay if I do face yoga?
absolutely yes. So,
Oh,
I was seeing that there are a lot of questions about skincare. But guys, let me tell you that, skincare apni jagah hai, which is very important. I also use
mm,
skincare, but exercise apni jagah hai. So, face
mm,
exercise zarur karna if you want to go a step beyond skincare.
yeah,
Because
yeah.
स्किन के सारे करते हैं बट वो जो एक्स्ट्रा चीज आप करोगे वो दिखेगा लाइक
Mm,
माय क्लाइंट शी वाज टेलिंग मी दैट डे शी वेंट फॉर सम सत्संग
okay.
and she's 50 years like not even like young
Wow.
so
Okay.
she went and पता नहीं कोई ऐसी लेडी आई and she
Mm.
tapped her on the back and she's like that you look so nice you look really nice.
Oh,
What are you doing? And she
mm,
was like, I like she was beaming with joy. Ki, wow, like unknown lady ने मुझे बोला, you're looking so
sure.
nice. And she was like, ma'am, all thanks to you. मैंने कहा नहीं effort तो आप कर रहे हो. मैं
हाँ
तो सबको सिखाती हूँ, but effort अपना देखो आप. So
हाँ हाँ
face yoga students, I can vouch they glow
हाँ
differently. People will come and tell them, listen, what are you doing? Everything
हाँ
is different about face yoga. Yeah.
yeah yeah.
So like
Wow,
that.
wow.
So
So
sorry, her question
awesome.
was
Sorry,
pregnancy. Yeah, pregnancy you can do
pregnant.
face yoga. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Awesome. And she was asking about any skincare. Should I leave
For
since
pregnancy,
yes. Yeah.
she should avoid she should avoid salicylic acid, retinols, and she should be as natural as possible because, like I said, chemicals go into the bloodstream.
Yeah.
So, jitna natural rahe,
Mm.
and yeah, that's better.
Perfect. Perfect. Awesome. Then that's all. That's done with our questions. Although there are three, four more, but I think similar to what we have answered. So amplified, Radha, Sheetal. I've read your questions, darling. This is similar to what we have answered. So I am sure you got your answers. All right. So thank you so much, Savitu. It was such a lovely conversation. I had the amazing time possible. And thank you for being our guest. And thank you for everything. I mean, the
But
session, the
Swati, I'll tell
face
you
yoga.
something. The way you are, I think I can talk to you for hours because you are somebody that we've not met, and this is the
Yes.
first time doing it. But
Correct.
I feel that you're already my friend. So I don't know, you have that vibe, which is very good, and I was very
Wow.
comfortable
That's
during
so
the live. So
beautiful.
thank you for doing that and making me super comfortable.
Thank you so much, Avitu, because I had such a lovely time. We learned so many technique. Now I'm going to start the face yoga now.
Yes, yes, you must, and you must inspire your followers.
Absolutely. I would. I would. No doubt
Yeah.
about it. So, guys, now you all know Valentine's Day is not just about finding love, it's about becoming someone who feels worthy of it. And that starts with how you treat yourself. Because self care is not selfish, guys. It's a foundation of every relationship. Yeah.
Wow. That's amazing. I should clap for you. Amazing.
Because it is actually we feel so bad. I mean, I remember when I was delivering my first baby, I had so many problems because one, I was young. Second, you're not prepared for anything. You're so dumb at that time. And I openly say it because, first child is always like it just comes on your plate and you really don't know
Right.
what to do.
Yes,
So that time
absolutely.
you just go bonkers about everything. You want to do everything perfect for your child. You don't care about yourself, neither yourself, nor your body, nor your eating habits, nothing. You put
Yeah,
on
yeah.
weight like donkeys because
Huh.
you've not taken care of yourself. But with my second child, I was so prepared because I knew that if it is not me, then who? I have to
Hmm.
take care of myself so that I can
See,
stand.
Swati, this is something I really like. You've said a very important thing. You told yourself
Ah.
that I'm going to be like this, I'm going to take care of myself. So it's always like what you tell yourself.
Correct.
You
Ah.
have to keep telling yourself, like
Hmm.
I read this quote somewhere. They said that, all the time, our mind is controlling us.
Hmm.
And, we keep having so many thoughts and all. But ultimately, you are the master of your mind. Okay.
Absolutely.
You should control the mind. You should tell the
Hmm.
mind,
Yeah, yeah,
do this, like
yeah.
that. Command your mind.
Ah,
Don't
ah.
let it be the other way around.
Absolutely, that is so true. Because the same thing we tell with our children, that is same thing we say. Like you have two things. You have one your brain and one yourself. Now you always
Hmm.
have to tell your brain that I'm smarter than what you think. So don't try to
Yes.
manipulate me. I'm
Huh.
doing the right thing. So that is very true. You have to talk to yourself
You
because
have to talk to yourself. Yeah.
your brain actually understands what you innately. That's the power of subconscious brain.
Like, if, for
And
example, if somebody keeps telling themselves कि नहीं मैं तो dumb हूँ मुझे समझ नहीं आता I don't understand I'm dumb so वो
you
ultimately वो
start
तो वही बच
believing that
जाएगा
you're
ना
dumb.
yeah you will believe कि आप dumb ही हो सब चीजों
Hmm.
में dumb हो but if you know
Absolutely.
I'm too smart and I'm too confident you will be like that so
Right, right, absolutely. So thank you so much, Avitu. I had lovely time. Thank you for being here. Thank you everyone for being here. Wishing everyone a happy Valentine's
happy
Day.
Valentine's Day yes
And do take care of yourself. You can watch this same because it's going to be uploaded on all the three platforms. I'm sure you're from YouTube or Instagram or LinkedIn, wherever you're seeing it. One, follow Savitu Singh. Second, watch this video, the at least the facial yoga section. Third, if you want to watch the complete video, you can watch it in 1.5x speed. So whatever you want to do it for yourself, because if you don't take out time for yourself, nobody can. You're the only best judge for yourself. Do it right now and don't wait for the right moment. Doing whenever you're doing, that is the right moment.
absolutely
Yeah. So
well
thank you
said
so much and take care everyone and enjoy and have fun and love you all.
thank you so much bye see
Bye
you
bye.
bye bye